Yes, I all my friends them from Knibb, past student and Knibb, who up on my YouTube channel, The Voice of Bed Miller. Yeah man, and Knibb me there now, you know, brother. Yeah man. Me am big bed, they are Knibb. See it, huh? Why Knibb pretty. Gongs, man, you don't want to go in a video. In Gongzi? Eh? Boy, Gongzi, when I do a great work in it, and they pretty, you know. Man, I know that, you know. Eh? You're guard now?
Me take over after Pele.
Oh, Pele, okay, Pele, remember Pele, brother. You think of... And I years there, you know? You there years now, brother? Yeah, man, the great Pele, man. Oh, we can't forget Pele. You understand me? Bernie. Yeah, man, my friend Bernie Elliott. Yeah, man, Knibb School of Beauty, you know, brother. Yeah, man, big up Mr. Wright, the principal, Mr. Wright. Of Transform, the place in the Transform still. I go just, because I go look a tour of the beauty of Knibb. Yeah, man, Knibb pretty, brother. You know, see it? All you hear me about fire, man, but, oh. The man say, man, how will you name me, General? Eh? Bunny. Yeah, man. Bunny. Someone no big up Bunny, you know. So, Evo, I didn't think of me an highlight, brother. Yeah, man. I didn't think of me an highlight. Yeah, man. I think of me an highlight. Bunny take over from Pele. We all know Pele, you know. We all know Pele. Knibb one. Knibb pretty. But what me want to say right now, you see? It's a walking, entering Knibb. Where we are walking, we are entering Knibb. That's why I tell a man, in a seat, you have a historical thing about the history of Knibb. In a seat, walking, entering Knibb. We want this thing about Bolt. Yeah, man. See it, my hero. What we want now, we want a boat statue, yes, sir. Just like the statue what they put up in a school, we want a boat statue, yes, sir. So when the people, so when the youth enter the school, they can see a statue of boat, yes, sir. In a seat. Yeah, man, we want a boat statue, yes, sir. And yes, sir, want boat statue figure. So that's why Knibb School, Knibb people, if we come together, in a seat, and we need to unite. Yeah, man. Yeah, we need to unite and put together. Yeah, man. To put a boat statue, yes, sir. Yeah, man. And build a boat sports complex. We're in the backyard. So I'm going to show you why I say Bolt, they get national hero. Yeah. And the Knibb family, yeah, man. Yeah, man, the Baptist Union and the people, them. Because all the hero them there, you know. They have Marcus Garvey, Sam Sharp, George William Garden, Norman Manley. Yeah. More continue. In a seat. More continue it. Yes. Yeah, man, William Knibb Memorial High School. My second alma mater, brother. I love this place, it's a shame. It's a shame to write it. You love this place, huh? It's unbelievable. If it's a joke thing. Alright now. I go continue. Paul Bogle, Nanya de Mahomes, in a seat. Alexander Bustamante. And see the boss there. Usain Bolt. Usain Bolt, popularly known as Lightning Bolt, was born on August 21, 1986. He is one of the most successful athletes in the history of world athletics, winning many awards at the highest level. He is the world record older of the 100 meters, the 200 meters, and the 4x100 relay. Yeah, in 2009, he is the most famous. Is the most famous alumnus of the Jamaica. In a seat of the Jamaica Baptist Union. You understand me? William Knibb. Should me the read and in a seat. Yeah, man, people it up more. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. William Knibb Memorial High School. Yes, higher. So I kind of read the thing slowly but surely. For making us a bolt amongst the heroes them. Yeah, man, bolt amongst the heroes. And that's what I say. Even the Jamaica Baptist Union. Even the Jamaican Baptist Union. I put bolt amongst the heroes them. You understand me? So all, yeah, man, so all me I say. So all me I say bolt. Yeah, man. Bolt forget. National hero of Jamaica right now. Because I say, if Wayana can't get it, a Barbados, Bolt can't get it. So I come to show people, say, I saw Knibb Baptist Union, them set up them thing, them put Bolt. I notice all of the other heroes them have the Knibb. Yeah, man, the Knibb motto. You know, see it? A logo pan them picture. And put it on bold picture. All of them have the Knibb thing pan it. I say them beautify the place. Yeah, man. So I go walk and yeah, man. Yeah, man. And tour Knibb. Come go in the back, go in the playground, you know. More on the video. Yeah, man. Big up Gongzi. Big up Gongzi. Yeah, man, see the Miller. So Bernie and all who in the diaspora, all who in the diaspora, man, of Knibb, man. Hero. Yeah, man, see we school, yeah. Hero. Them things never did back in a few days, you know. Yeah, man, enough gazebo, brother. Yeah, man. Hero, see the Miller. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, Knibb school looking good. See me highlight good things, you know, brother. Yeah, man, pay gazebo hero. Because me link up most of all, you know. So me I'll tell us, say, oh, yes, I you know, see it. Knibb looking good. I'm not say if they're gonna change the name to Bolt to use them Bolt I still know. But that's my opinion. That's my opinion. Me just share that. Cause big up to Mr. William Knibb. Big up all of the freedom fighters that who fight against slavery. And Mr. Knibb was one of them. All the man them back in the days who fight against slavery. So big up Mr. William Knibb. Big up Knibb. You understand me? Me on the subjects I think say we cannot change the name to Usain Bolt I still, but that's my opinion. Do you only love and rate Bolt so much because Bolt is my heroes. Yeah, man. So Eva and Bernie, yeah, man, it's a Knibb backyard. Yeah, man. Knibb backyard, so the grass them well cut. Yeah, man. See the, yeah, man, see Knibb court, yeah. This are the, when they play basketball and netball pan. Look okay. Same way. Yeah, man. At the basketball and netball court, this for Knibb. You know, see, big up Mr. Becky. Yeah, man, the basketball coach. Mr. Becky still about him, man, but Knibb not go on with nothing a basketball again for the levels. Because Knibb win basketball 1 year, you know, all island, you know. Yeah, man, Mr. Beckford, you know. Yeah, man. Teacher man, Mr. Beckford, still about you. Yeah, man. So, as I may say, Knibb, looking good, well kept. Big up, Mr. Wright. Boy, you're doing a good job, yeah, yo. Yeah, man. You're a gungs person in them. Yeah, man. Look on the place, brother. Yeah, man. Boy, I tell you, they feel nice, brother. When I tell you, look on the Knibb, look on Knibb field. Eh? God know me surprised. It's a Knibb field maintained. Eh? D-Cup season done, track season done, and the field look in a immaculate condition, brother. Immaculate condition. Yeah, man. Big up, Mr. Victor. Mr. Victor, right? Me mean, because Knibb principal in the seat. Knibb principal and Mr. Victor, right, brother, you know. That's why I'm mistakenly call him Mr. Victor, right. I told me the two name by his first name still, you know. And the principal and we go to school together, you know. Can remember few days, you know. But remember he with them from the levels. Yeah, man. Because everybody got remember he, you know. Back in a few days, you know. But as I tell him, say, boy, I'm part of the thing same way too. Yeah, man. You must do a center circle. And this is what I say right now. Because I'm not going to talk too long on the levels. Because people say I talk too long. But when the vibes reach you better, you must see the highway there. You can zoom me something there, you know, the truck. Yeah, man. The truck, they must pass by the highway. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. But what I say now, brother, at the center circle, and the football field, the place look good. Because I say yesterday, the Major League semi-final they play now. Place look good, brother. What I say, even if we start a GoFund, and all the past students and Knibb all over the world drop the money, and we build a sports complex, yes, sir. In a seat. Yeah, man, the Usain Bolt Sports Complex. Because the government now do it, you know. I doubt if the two political parties that do it. And Knibb, and we have to go do it. And we have to go do it. Help out Mr. Wright. And drop some open account. Because the whole land is off in Knibb, you know, brother. All you see them trees there in a seat. A sporting complex can drop us with ease. Yeah, man, a sporting complex can drop us out with ease if the Knibb family come together and never go fun towards it. Yeah, man. And yesterday Usain Bolt official running track. So both Knibb school kids them can have it for use and plus the other it can benefit the parish same way. Because any local primary all age meet them can keep over here. So Knibb school can do it. You know, see it. I mean, say if both knows them thing in the bill and fee name, both will contribute towards the same way. Because both have done a lot for Knibb. And not Knibb alone, both don't help enough people both help. Both can help everybody. See me then Jesus never heal all the sick people them. He help as much as he can help. No found no mother, no found no thought things about both, me and tell you brother. You know, see like no one man if take his money, come give the whole of one. You know, see that son no stay, no for no bad mind the youth, you know, but me as a man, you know, I don't beg both nothing, I never beg both $1 yet, you know. But both of my hero, you know. The Usain Bolt Sports Complex to come at Knibb backyard, that me I talk about. The Asher9 family build a sports complex for JC. One family alone. You see it? And look how much doctors and lawyers and you know see it, and Indian chiefs and all them sitting there come out of Knibb. If all the doctors and lawyers and Indian chiefs come out of Knibb can put the money together. And we can drop the money same way in our go fund and build the Usain Bolt Sports Complex. Full time now Usain Bolt Sports Complex we build over Knibb School in a Knibb School backyard. In a seat. Yeah man. A Usain Bolt Complex we build in the backyard of Knibb. So we can sit down in a seat and watch sporting activities. Both track and field and football. In a seat. Me got stage 1979. Go see. In a seat. Grandstand and bleachers. And it feel well protected. 1979. Me don't know how when states have them in a seat. Of grandstand and bleachers. When they put together. But I'm going to go see 1979 and States and Knibb founded 1961. And if States can have a something there, a sports complex up and running same rate until now, why Knibb can't have it? Eh? Me know say Mr. Vic, me know say Mr. Wright, you know. Me know say Mr. Wright I try to get it together, you know. Cause look how the field look. Look how the field look, brother. I want people to know say we because the first football match play, the first competitive schoolboy match play on the ground here. In a seat. And Knibb under 16 and Rossies. Yeah. I will share that. Yes. 1981. Because all our matches what we play 1980 and 79 and 78 play at Falmouth Center. All our matches in the seat. One Knibb is to play from 78, 79 and 1980 play at Falmouth Center. The first competitive schoolboy match play over Knibb. In the seat. Me was part of it. Me and Esther. I remember who again in a Knibb school under 16. And we beat Rossies 1-0 over here. 1-0 in a seat. In a seat that Esther did score, the one. Now I forget that. So me a part of Knibb sporting history, you know. Because the first game play over here so competitively. Yeah man, Knibb and Rossies. I will give Rossies 1-0. That's why sometimes I think I'm long, you know, because I never taught the history of this thing, you know. In a seat. This is the ground with destroy Cornwall 1982. Yeah man, the first Knibb team. Yeah man, we win zone A. In a seat. Yeah man. We win zone A unbeaten. And I qualified to the interzone round without playing a match. Because when Garmalins, the match did wash out and the match did reschedule. And we never play because we qualified already. The first Knibb team, 1982. Yeah man. You know, see it. All 81. Cornwall give one hot. What Cornwall give you? 2-1 or so? One hot 2-1. Pay ball, man ball, brother. Then turn Alvin and the goal and boy, me and tell you, brother, pay ball, the ball when Cornwall beat 81 over here, so. Because some cussing me get. Yeah, man. So I know the struggle here, so. I know the fight, so. And a full time now, brother. A full time now, Knibb School about sports complex. You know, see it? This is the home of the world fastest man, you know. This is the home of the world fastest man, you know, Usain Bolt, you know. Eh? And I know, you know, see, because the government now, yeah, man, the governments them now go to push it, and the Knibb School family have to go push it and build it. And it can be done because the land space there. And there's unity and cooperation you want. Yeah, man. You know, see, because you come August 1st, yeah, I go there, so. At the link up. I go there at the link up. Enough things we can talk about Knibb, brother. Because it's just like how Usain Bolt a legend to the world. It's a man like me and Hero and Ev and Jasbo and Shaba and Dinah in a seat. And Light Simpson and in a seat. And Paul Jones and Michelin and Alva in a seat. In a seat. Me no want to left out nobody, you know, man. In a seat. I come start from also in the goal. Back in a film time. In a seat. Jimmy and Alva. Defense line. I used to be Hero, Ev, Dinah in a seat. And Michelin. Midfielder. And me and Zedi and Esto. Yes, it. Yeah, man. And Timpo. In a seat. The forward line used to be Light Simpson. In a seat. Paul Jones. Shaba. In a seat. Yeah, man. So me I tell you, at the baby them on the side like Sean D'Souza, Puddy Bam, Nanko, Charles Batts. You understand me? Stanley Strong Pop Stanley, and Bobula. And Bobula, who used to fret. Every match you play Bobula fret. Because Bobula don't want to go to the goal. And then you say, Alva Angel, or fret, Bobula fret. So I hold up a man, I hold up a man, I hold up a I&I man. I&I a legend in the school, brother. Every man played in part. Because we put Knibb on the map when it comes to team sports, you know. And the football team put Knibb on the map, you know. But you hear me now? Yeah, man, I'm going to done talking now. But I am so happy and so glad to see how Knibb school maintain. And now sport team now take place at school now. And look how the fields look good and maintain. Big up Principal Wright, Mr. Wright. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. You understand me? Yeah, man, you do a great job. I'm going to close everything right now, but I can talk on. This is where I spend. This was my home, away from home, in the seat. Yeah, man, in the early 80s. In a seat from 1980 to 1983. Can I go back to Knibb now? Yeah, man, if you go back to Knibb now, man. Yeah, man, 83, when I stopped go to school, you know, when I done my last year, you know, Adamak, when I beg me to come back to school, you know, Adamak, when I buy my uniform, everything to come play. But so, that's another story. But from 1980 to 1983, no, what me say? Me no miss no school. Every day me there at school, brother. Me no miss no class. I was a footballer. Me no miss no school, no miss me. Sometimes me on summer holiday, me want school. Yes, it. Me want school for open back for go to school. I used to love school, brother, because I used to love sports and I used to just, yeah, man, me no miss no school. And I close out by saying, when me there at Knibb in the 9th grade, Bedmill was the brightest boy in the 9th grade. And the brightest boy in the 10th grade. Can me get a prize to come second in my class. Me no feel no class exam with the Knibb, you hear me? Yeah. I want to know that. When man there at school, man just do them school work and man just live them life and a certain thing set. So me and my friends them are legend in Knibb school. Legend in Knibb school. The whole away, Hero the whole away. Especially Hero. Yes, I'm left out one name, you know, brother. In the listen of Jasbo. How can I left out Cashman Jasbo Williams, brother? Boy, man, oh, we can left out Jasbo. When I call the players them name, I left out Jasbo name, brother. And Jasbo name, we should call first. And I said, I'm my apology, brother. Cashman Jasbo Williams. One of the greatest footballers come out of Knibb, alongside Hero. Yeah, man. Me I tell you that, brother. Cashman Jasbo Williams, brother. I can close out by saying, brother, Cashman Jasbo Williams and the whole away a legend in Knibb school. We set the trend and bring joy and happiness to the Knibb school family. And the joy and happiness can maintain. Yeah, man, because I whole heap of ball over the years. I not mention the 2002 side with Bob William and Monday. But continue thing. So we need that sports complex, that's all. We need the Usain Bolt sports complex in a Knibb school backyard. And that me I talk about, and that me come for something there. So me go sign off for the day right now. Me a go back to Falmouth, and me a go half on Bay Beach to go build back. Because I have nothing to do today. So I can relax at the beach anytime I want to right now. So I sign off right now. And big up to Principal Wright. Big up to Mr. Wright. You are doing a great job. And we're there to support you. But we need the Unsound Boat Sports Complex in a Knibb school backyard. Or we need the Unsound Boat statue in a seat at the front of Knibb. And the governments of Jamaica need to give Unsound Boat because you know, the Jamaica Baptist Union has shown us a boat become hero for Jamaica. Our only living hero. Because Buster man to get it when he was alive, so white ball can't get it. White ball can't get it. Both become a national hero. I don't stop say so, I don't stop repeat me talk. Both become a national hero. You see it? In a Jamaica. That's all me I say. You see it? Can we go sign off? We go zoom the mountain and sign off. Because boat is like a mountain. And what boat have done for us can never be. I go stand up like a mountain in the life of Jamaican people. Them. The fastest man in the world. You see? Fastest man in the world. So boat, I forget the hero status. While he is alive, I'm not going to sit there, I'm not stop speak about the matter. As me talk now, yeah man, the rain start fall upon me right now. The rain start fall upon me when I say boat is like a mountain in Jamaica right now. It's like a mountain. What boat done for us cannot be removed. We need to honor the youth with the highest honor in Jamaica. Still not going to give Buster man to Marcus Gabby, Paul Bog, the whole of them. We need to honor Usain Bolt. Right now, I talk. You know, the rain just upon me. I mean, I'll sign off right now, because Bolt is like a mountain. I will ever be a mountain. In the memory of the Jamaican people. Them. Okay. Because Bolt are the only man, track man. Bring American athletes them to them knees, when them bow to Bolt. Because I know when Gatlin bow to Bolt, better when them beat Bolt. That is how great Usain Bolt is. Okay, I'm now sign out right now. I'm out. Yeah.